Okay, hi everyone. It's not even a YouTube video, is it? Welcome back to Make Work with Smart. Well, no. Hello, yeah, my Year 9s. I'm not with you tomorrow or today, Friday the 13th of March. You have a cover teacher, but I have done a video for a step-by-step tutorial on how to design sunglasses or jewellery. So if you're going to come over here, come this way. So we've got this little pack of tray and we have resources in here and sunglasses to trace around. As you know, I have colour coded every pack for each table, so follow me. I'm going to come around here. So we've got orange for this table, and then have that. We have yellow for this table, stickers coming off, and you get it, blue for the other table. But I need to get paper, so you'll have A3 paper. You see this? And I get one sheet. Follow me. What colour am I? Red. Let's get the red one. You see it? Okay, so now what we're going to do, we've got in the pack, we've got different types of glasses. Now everyone always says, I want to design my own. We haven't got the time, so we have given you a template. You've got the circle, flower, love, heart, star. These ones can break, be careful, square, and we have arms. And then in your pack, I've done an example of how to lay out the designs. 2 designs for glasses. Think about layering, think about all the things we've taught you in Year 9. Come on, Terence. Over here you've got the acrylic key heart. You have the MDF shape up there, inspired by Yinka Alori. Think about the layering techniques. Also, if you don't want to do the sunglasses, you've got the jewellery ideas that you can do. Come back. Thank you. And also, we're going to be designing a bag as well with 2 different designs to be put on the bag. We're going to be sewing machine, using the sewing machine for the bag, and we'll be using fabric pens to put the design on there. And then, if you are not very good at designing fonts and lettering, I've also done some examples. Different types of fonts. And you know I said about layering the shapes on top of the sunglasses or jewellery. I've also done a pack of different shapes to help you, and that's it. I'm now going to show you how to use the handout. I've got an example here that I've already done for you, but it is on A4. We're going to use A3. And if you want to do the sunglasses or jewellery, I'm going to do 2 ideas for the sunglasses. I'm going to go with the love heart and the circles and trace the arm. So if you want to do the jewellery, you have also in this little information pack, looking at the jewellery, you've got earrings, templates, necklaces. Some people want to do bracelets, but you have to do either a necklace and earrings or a bracelet and earrings. And there's some inspiration from Lori. So I'm going to now do the font. So think about doing a nice font. You're not just writing an English essay. I'm not using my pack because I'm confident with this. And then, over here, I'm going to do the bag designs. It's up to you how you do the layout. And then I'm going to use a felt tip, a fine liner. And I'm going to then make that bold. Like all the little curls, I'm going to colour those in, and so on and so forth. I never say that, so on and so forth. I just said that in the video. I'm rushing this, you can do it better. Sometimes I'm fun out there. And then I'm going to grab my pencil. I'm going to go with 2 designs for the sunglasses. Like I said, if you want to do the jewellery, you have to be more independent. When you're using the pencil, press lightly. Why? You can rub it out and you make a mistake. Do not press too hard with the pencil. Ta-da! And then, if you do press too hard and you're just doing this with a pencil, that means you need to go more like light sketches. And then in the middle, I might do a little circle here and do another little. I'm going to do 2 different ideas. So this is where you will cut out. That's a terrible love heart. And then I'm going to do an arm. I'm just going to do 1 design for the arm. I might want to add something pretty on the arm as well. And then I'm going to trace that one. So I'm going to go through my pack and I'm going to decide on what to add for the layering. I think I will pick, what should I pick?
The fish.
Where's the fish?
On your left.
What, that one? Or that one?
Yeah.
That's really hard. Oh my gosh, I'll do the easy fish. And think about these bits as where your arms will go, so we don't want to put anything there. I'm going to put a little fishy over here. A little fishy. And there, and think about it, you can also add some holes where you drill into it. So I might drill that bit. And that fish, I might make that out of acrylic. What colour? Orange for a fish. Can't smell orange. I can't smell orange. The pressure. We'll rub that out because I did it lightly. And then over here you've got, I'm going to go back to this to help me. And I'm going to do a drawstring bag, which I'm going to be making on the sewing machine. And then I've got my 2 little ideas there that I'm going to add my Yinka Alloy designs. I'm going to make my own versions up and put it there. And then when you finish, next lesson we will add colours. But to be fair, next lesson we're going to go straight into the practical and we can finish this after. Remember to put everything back for me in the tray and look after my equipment. Thank you so much, Year 9s. I'll see you in 2 weeks' time. Bye.